It's day 7 of 31 days of spring cleaning, and today I'm going to be tackling the woodwork in my kitchen. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we're tackling the chaos that can come along with spring cleaning, particularly when you're working in the kitchen. Well, we're in zone 2, and I'm going to deep clean the woodwork in my kitchen. So I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen cabinets, and I'm thinking this is probably going to take me 2 days to get it done. On the first day, I'm going to clean on the inside of the island and all the kitchen cabinets on this side, and then tomorrow I'm going to clean the other side of the cabinets as well as the pantry door and the laundry room door. So it's probably going to be a 2-day process. For those of you that follow me regularly, I use the Flylady cleaning process to clean my home. And we do zone cleanings, and zone 2 is the kitchen. And we're only supposed to work for 15 to 30 minutes at a time in any one particular area. So today, my one area is going to be the inside cabinets, and then tomorrow it's going to be the outside cabinets. So let's get her started. And in case you're wondering what all that noise is in the background, my husband's making breakfast, so that's what that is. So I'm going to start with this cabinet and just work my way around the kitchen. And I'm going to be using this product right here. It is the Minwax Wood Cabinet Cleaner, and I'll be using these brown cloths to wipe it on and wipe it off. Some of the handles, like this one, the one right here above the microwave and close to the stove, get pretty grubby. They get kind of sticky on the handles, and then particularly the area around the handle gets pretty grubby. So I'll be using the Grove Collaborative Walnut Scouring Pads to help address that. So what I do is I cut it in half like this, and maybe even cut it again, and just kind of use it to really work on the handles or get any of that grime, that oily grime from people's hands off of there. For cleaning the hood, I'm using the Whirlpool stainless steel cleaner, and I like to use paper towels that are cloth-like. I can't remember the brand. I think it's Viva, but I will check that out and get back to you. But I really like this stainless steel cleaner. It's day 8 of 31 days of spring cleaning, and today I'm going to be working on this inside area of the kitchen. I want to get all of this woodwork cleaned, the baseboards, that paneling there, the poles, this laundry pantry door, and if there's time, I'll get this grocery pantry door done. If I don't get time to get to this door, then I'll delegate it to my husband. So I just have one more day to work in zone 2, and that's tomorrow. So I really want to try to get this area done as much as possible so that I can consider doing something in the laundry area. But we'll see. In the meantime, I got my book on DVD, I got my DVD player, and I'm ready to get started. This area is a lot easier to clean. There's not as many fingerprints, and you just don't handle this area quite like you do the other side. So this area is a lot easier. If you remember from my clean house tag, baseboards are the things that I hate. I guess just because you have to get down so far to get to it. This Minwax though is doing a pretty good job of getting this stuff cleaned up. When I wipe the glass each week on my daily home blessing, I don't always get in here and scrub this windowsill, so this is a good time to get to it too. I was looking out the window yesterday and we had 3 bluebirds at our feeder. One really bright blue one, and then 2 that were paler blue, but then all 3 had the orange bellies. It was just so nice to see they were back already. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Now to polish these wood poles, I'm going to use this Howard feeding wax. I like the look that it gives. Gives them a nice shine. And I use these brown rags for all of the cleaning that I do on dark things. The woodwork, the floors, sometimes baseboards. I don't know, anything that's kind of dark. I just use my white cleaning rags in the kitchen and for my swish and swipes. And I have different sets for each. I have one set that's strictly for the kitchen and one set that I use for other cleaning. these done. So the only thing left in here now to do is the laundry pantry door and the grocery pantry door. I'm moving right along. Now this door is pretty grubby, particularly around the handles. I mean, it's an old door. As I said earlier, I have an old house. This house is probably about 60 years old. So, and I do clean things, as you have seen from time to time, but the things do get old and they require more care. And I will admit, when I do clean in the kitchen, this isn't one of the areas that I often think of. So that's why I really decided that when we were into our zone work this week, that this would be one of the main areas that I targeted. Because so often when I clean the laundry pantry, I open the doors and then I forget to clean the doors. So today we're cleaning the doors. Just saw a big blue jay outside my window. I tell you what, this little ladder is one of the best things my husband ever bought for me. Because when he's not here, I use it to reach all kinds of things. So this door is done. It's looking pretty darn good. I'm really pleased with how well it turned out. Nice and shiny. And since I've been moving so quickly, I have time to go ahead and do this pantry door. But I think I'm going to use this Howard Feed and Wax on the pantry door as well, because I really like the shine that it gives. And the areas here around the handle are pretty grubby, so I think they're going to need some extra love, but I think this Howard Feed and Wax can give them. And you know, I think I will ask my husband to get me some new handles for these doors. I don't know, I'm just kind of tired of them, and this one is actually a little chipped, so it's time to give these doors some love, so we'll see what happens. But that won't happen today. So let me get this done, and then I'll have this room done. I'll use this Caldrea counter cleaner. It is the Sea Salt Neroli. It's the number 17, and I love the way it smells. And once I clean the counter, I am done. I really like this Caldrea because there's just no stickiness on the counter once I'm done, and it has such a nice fresh scent. So here's my freshly cleaned kitchen. Doesn't the woodwork look great? I am just really pleased with how things are looking. I am really pleased with the way things turned out. The kitchen looks so nice. And the nice thing about zone cleaning is that if there's something you don't hit, well, that same zone comes around again the next month and you can get it then. But I think I got all the things done that I would plan to get done this week in this zone. There's probably one more thing that I need to do, and I'll take care of that tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me. Now here's your question for the day. What part of today's Zone 2 cleaning, the kitchen woodwork, did you find most interesting or most difficult? Were there products that you would like to try in your home, or do you have better ideas on how I can take care of some things here in my home? Sometimes the best ideas come from right here in the TNT community. So let's get a conversation going in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button and subscribe. If you like plan with me, cook with me, clean with me, laundry with me, anything related to running a household, you'll like what we do on this channel. I'd love to have you become a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye.